we're gonna head in and check out the Serenity Adult Only Retreat. Now for me, a vacation is about finding the perfect fit for every single member of the family, the group, whoever's traveling together. That may be for some, this may be for others. I know in my family, this is where you're gonna find my wife. She loves coming up here. You've got those extra nice, comfy cushions here. And right as I walked around the corner, the music went way, way, way down because it's all about the Serenity. So first off, we'll start with the first hot tub. So you've got a large hot tub right here. There's several different decks and alcoves that kind of tuck away, if you will. This is that perfect place to read a book, have a drink, just relax during the day. So now we're gonna continue on around through the space. You can see all of these loungers. They're all facing out at those incredibly beautiful ocean views. And then as we continue through, you're gonna find a lot more of the same. So they have some that are tucked away in the shade. They've got some that are out here in the sun, and they also have these really fantastic day beds as well. So you get, once again, the experience that you're looking for. The further forward you go, the quieter and more relaxed it gets. But what I've loved is they've really expanded the amount of space in the Serenity Adults Only Retreat area. They have these partitions, you can start to see them as I walk through, where it really chops up the space to make it a little more intimate and private. And then they also have a huge pool, bar, and there's also some food options as well. Let's head around the corner. So now we're in the main part of the Serenity Retreat. What you see here is a nice sunken area where you can sit, relax, have a drink, cup of coffee, and just behind it you're gonna find the main pool. And what I love about this particular pool, you've got that really nice waterfall feature, so that's really the main noise that I hear right now. Very calming, very soothing. Now on this side, you're gonna have seating for the Fresh Creations Salad Your Way. A new concept, basically spa eats, if you will, that you can have up here. Light bites. And then on the other side, you're gonna have more day beds, loungers, and seating. Once again, this is the area that you go to get away from it all, adults only experience. And I really like the Carnival does it with 21 and up. Some other cruise lines have their adults only area as 16 and up. I really like this concept here. Now, right in the middle, you're gonna find the Serenity Bar. Once again, all of your favorite cocktails. They've got fantastic mixologists. And with everywhere throughout the ship, it's the crew, it's the bartenders that make all the difference. Now, just in front of the pool area, you have more of the extra large Serenity Retreat. Once again, they've doubled down on the size. Up here, all I hear is the wind coming off the front of the ship. So you're gonna have shaded areas with cabana-like seating on the side. In the front, you've got the loungers looking directly out at the beautiful ocean views. Wherever it is that you're sailing, you get those same views as the captain. Now on this particular ship, there's some really incredible suites and rooms at the front of the ship. Make sure you check those out on our channel. We have all the rooms and suites for the entire Mardi Gras there. As we continue around, you can see it wraps around. You're gonna have the same exact thing on the other side of the ship as well. More of these beautiful day beds. You've got the extra cushion seating in the front here. Once again, it's the place to go away, have a nice relaxing day at sea or in port.